Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a vlog style video. I wanted to quickly show you guys what I'm packing for my hair for a tropical vacation. So in a few days, Damien and I will be celebrating our first year wedding anniversary. So we're actually going on a trip. We're going to Mexico. Our flight leaves in less than 12 hours, so I procrastinated a little bit, which is why I didn't have any time to do a fancy setup. So this is going to be a vlog style chit chat video with minimal editing. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So as I said, we're going on a tropical vacation. We're going to Mexico. So there's going to be lots of water activities. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly what I'm going to be packing. So I picked this up a while ago from Juvitus. If you guys are regular viewers on my channel, you guys know I've worked with Juvitus in the past. And I'm a girl like this. If I review anything on my channel that was sent to me for free or anything that was sponsored, it has to be something that I would actually spend my own money on. So I actually bought this myself from their website, and it's just a travel kit with, what's this, 6 jars or bottles. So this first one has a pump dispenser. This one's a spray bottle. This one's like a roller bottle, I guess, as well as this one over here. This has a dropper and then this mini jar right here. So this is what I'm going to be putting all my hair products in today. I also have a few sachets, and these are great to travel with. If you guys watched my haul a while back, you know I accidentally picked this up in my Apogee order, which is a keratin 2-minute reconstructor. I have the big bottle of this. I was trying to try something else and I got this on accident, but it worked out. Oops, I dropped it. It worked out because I get to travel with it. And then I have this Garnier Whole Blends Repair and Leave-In. I actually got this as a sample in my Forever 21 order, I believe. You can't even see it, but yeah, it's a leave-in. So that's what it looks like, and it doesn't hurt to pack this as well. And then of course I'm packing my favorite deep conditioner. If you guys don't know, they do come in little packets like this. This is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. So I'm going to be packing those as well. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting in those bottles and jars right now. So let's get started with filling the bottles. So the first one I'm going to fill is the one with the pump. I'm actually going to put my shampoo in this. And the shampoo that I'm going to be taking with me is the Ion Swimmers Shampoo. It looks just like this, and as I said, we're going to be doing a lot of water activities, a lot of swimming. Well, I won't be swimming, I'll just be in the pool or in the ocean looking cute because I can't swim. But this helps to prevent sun damage, chlorine damage, and overall water damage. So I'm going to be putting this in the little bottle and taking it with me. Let's see if we can focus here. There you go, that's what it looks like in case you want to look into getting it. So moving on to the spray bottle, I'm going to be putting one of the leave-in conditioners I'm taking with me in this. The leave-in conditioner I'm going to be putting in this is the Ion Swimmers leave-in conditioner, and this is what it looks like. Let me focus it real quick. Here we go. And this is great in preventing sun damage, chlorine damage, mineral buildup, and damage from salt water. So I will be applying this to my hair while damp before I go in any kind of water, and after I shampoo. When I get out, after I shampoo, I'm going to be applying this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer some of this into here. So next up we have this dropper bottle, and ideally I would have liked another pump because I want to put my moisturizer in this, but I'm gonna roll with it anyway. So the moisturizers, I'm going to be mixing 2 moisturizers, actually my 2 favorite moisturizers at the moment, and they work so well together, and it's the African Pride Olive Miracle as well as I Am So Much Moisture. I'm going to be mixing these and putting it into that bottle. Okay, so next up we have these little roller ball bottles, and I'm only going to be using one. And I'm actually going to be putting my oil in this. So I'm using a mixture of oil that I've mixed myself, and I hope to share it with you guys soon. That I've been using for my scalp and also to seal my ends. So it's in this bottle right here. I only have a little bit left, so I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into this as soon as I figure out how to get it open. Alright, that one got a little messy, but we did it. Here's the oil all over the bottle, but okay. Can't waste the oil. Okay, so next we have this other bottle. This didn't actually come in the set. This was actually sent to me a while back by Juvitus when I did a collab with them. And right now, it only has water in there, but I'm not gonna dump it out. I'm actually gonna add my other leave-in conditioner on top of it because I usually apply it to damp hair anyway, so I don't need to pour the water. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this in here. I'm just gonna fill it all the way because I use a lot of this stuff and I never want to be out of it. So that's my second leave-in. And then lastly we have the jar, and I don't plan to use heat on my hair for the whole time that we're gonna be there. I think we're gonna be there for 6 days. So in case I want to do a textured style like a braid out or a twist out, I'm actually going to be taking some of this Curls Blueberry, guys, I'm so tired, it's ridiculous. Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shock Cream. It's my styling cream of choice. I know it's made for naturals, but I use it, okay? So I'm actually going to be scooping some of this up with a spoon and put it in my jar here. Alright, and that's that. And another little thing that I have here, I'm gonna take it with me, is this Moroccan Oil Treatment in this little bottle here. I got this as a sample with my Allure beauty box. I'm subscribed to it, so I get samples all the time. So I'm gonna take this to use as either a serum or a sealing oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my little bag too. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back in the bag so you guys can see what it looks like and what I'm working with. Alright, so there we go. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and put my packets in. And then my little Moroccan Oil Treatment. And that's it as it relates to all the hair products I'm taking with me. Now the other things I'm going to be taking my comb, my brush, and then 2 hair clips to help with styling, or to be honest, more like washing my hair because I won't be doing much styling if I'm going to be honest. In terms of styling, I'm not taking any heat tools because it just doesn't make any sense if I'm gonna be laid out by the beach or the pool all day, every day. But I am taking these cute little clips that I found at H&M. So they're like pearls and seashells, and I thought they were super cute. There you go. These are $12.99. And then I also have a few of these. I have more, but they're in the bathroom, from Bobble Bar. So I'm just gonna be packing these as well. And then I'm going to be taking my pillowcase. This is from NYK Silk. It looks all wrinkled right now because it's wet because I just washed it and it was in the dryer, but I pulled it out real quick to show you. But yeah, it's just a standard size silk pillowcase. I love this thing. I will be doing a video on it soon. I've had it for months now and I love it. So I'm going to be taking my pillowcase, and then I'll also be taking my slap cap from Grace Alea, I think it's pronounced. So I'm also going to be taking this too, but if I'm going to be honest, I'm going to be on vacation. I don't know how many times I'm going to put this thing on my head. So silk pillowcase for the win. Alright guys, so that video is way longer than I thought it was going to be, especially given how tired I am right now, and I have less than 8 hours of sleep to go until our flight. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.